Hi guys, this is Gilberto from STEK, and today I'm glad to announce to you that after 3 years of development, we are coming out with solution designed specifically for PPF restoration. Our compound kit is now available for you. The PPF compound will be a must-have kit every time a client visits you with persistent contaminants, light scratch or swirl marks on their PPF, unable to be eliminated by any other means. The PPF compound kit is composed of first, the compound cut, second, compound cleans, and third, the restoration coating. The technical information of how to use our PPF compound kit can be found on our STEK YouTube channel. And here's the deal, you can use this solution to gain clients from your competitors. While they are struggling with damaged PPF, you can attract their clients and establish new business relationships and future opportunities. And for your current STEK user, you can use this kit to build reliability and strengthen the relationship. STEK will always do the best to give you solutions because we never stop innovating.